morning, everyone. I'm Maidatul Hasanah, and today I'm with Yati, who spends most of her time at home. Thank you for joining us, Yati.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, can you tell us a bit what you do at home?
I enjoy reading, watching movies, and doing some online courses.
Okay, and what are your favorite hobbies?
I like playing games and listening to music.
Okay, how do these activities make you feel?
They make me relax and they make my mind engaged.
Okay, thank you for sharing, Yati.
Hi, you're welcome.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Good morning.
My dad.
Po, apa aja?
Ini baju.